One way to make a corner in a freestanding wall is to build a column, and then build away from the column. To build a 90-degree corner in a freestanding wall without a column, place a corner unit to start the outside wall. This can be done in gravel with base block, or, as in this example, on top of a retaining wall. Build outside walls in both directions. To start the inside wall of the 90-degree corner, begin building a wall perpendicular to the corner unit. Measure and trim 2 inches from appropriate blocks to start an inside wall parallel to the corner unit. Cut the block using a circular saw with masonry blade. Then, tri-fit the blocks to finish the inside corner. Continue to build the inside and outside walls in both directions, integrating the pattern. Glue all blocks. On the next course, place a corner unit perpendicular to the one below, and continue building in this manner until you've reached the desired height. To cap this wall, see our Capping a 90-Degree Corner video.